Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a baby-proof gate on your plaster wall. One neat thing about plaster is there's lath boards that run behind the plaster that run from stud to stud, so when you're putting your screws in there you have something to hold your gate firmly in place. For this job I'm going to be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips bit and the hardware that comes with your baby gate. First thing we need to do is to go ahead and put up the baby gate where we want it to go. So you're going to put it up against the wall and pick it up just a little bit. That way you have room to swing it in and out and to move it across the doorway. Next, we're going to take the little bracket that goes on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and set our baby gate in there and get it to the right height. Then we'll hold it in place. We're going to grab our drill and our screw, put it right through the hole, hold it in place. Go ahead and start drilling your screw into the wood. Now we're going to take the gate, set it into our bracket. We're going to be attaching it to the plaster here. So we want to take our next bracket and put it facing up. So we're going to hold this one in place with our gate and go ahead and drill it into place. Now because the plaster is a little bit thicker to hit the lath boards, I'm going to be using the longer screw that they've provided. I'm going to hold it in place and slowly drill it in. Now we'll swivel it around a little bit to make sure that it's pivoting right. Then we'll go ahead and open it up. Now to attach the lock to the gate, we're going to take our eye bolt and just a regular screw. First thing we're going to do is figure out where we want the eye bolt to go. After we have that done, we're going to take our regular screw and pre-drill a hole through the wall. That way it's a little bit easier to go ahead and put our eye bolt in. After we have it in, we're going to go ahead and back it out. Then we're going to take our eye bolt, put it into that pre-drilled hole. Make sure that it's sitting sideways so we can take our gate and actually get it to lock. Installing baby gates and doorways can help keep the kids and the pets out of those unwanted areas like the laundry room and the bathroom. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.